up, world? What's happening? Coming at you today with another unboxing video. Today, the product we're talking about is the Assistant. It's made by Poo Pourri, which I'm sure most of you have heard of at this point.
All right, so let's make this quick and easy. We've got the Assistant, and we've got a couple of bottles of some of the different scents available. Inside of the Assistant box, open this bad boy up. We've got some paperwork, instructions, warnings, things of that nature. We've got another bottle of the original citrus scent, as well as the Assistant itself. No assembly required, however, it does not come with batteries.
Also in the box came a original bottle or a refill bottle of some Poo Pourri. According to the product information, this is a concentrated formula. There's enough in here for about 150 uses. So that's approximately 150 wave in front of it, spray into your toilet while you're going type of uses. And they also say it's a different concentration from their normal spray. So you can't use a regular spray of Poo Pourri and refill into this machine. Whenever I purchased this, I actually did also purchase some refill bottles. So there's the original citrus, as well as the lavender vanilla, which I think are two of their original scents. I believe there are some other scents available in the regular spray, but not for the Assistant. At this point, there's just those two scents for the Assistant. All right, let's talk about the Assistant. The Assistant, again, is a product from Poo Pourri, and what's going to happen is this thing is going to hang off the side of the toilet bowl. So if you imagine the toilet bowl rim there, underneath your seat, hanging into the bowl there is going to be this little spray nozzle. And outside of the bowl on the side is a motion sensor that you wave your hand in front of while sitting down on the toilet, and it sprays in the toilet while you do what you do.
Okay guys, so here's a quick install. You hang it on the rim, reach over, turn on the switch, and then you start waving your hand. These first couple of waves here, nothing's coming out. It's actually priming that pump, getting the liquid to come out. My third one, boom, there it is. My fourth wave, boom, there it is.
Okay guys, so I've used the Assistant now for the last week or so. I put it all in one video here just to have all the information together. But after using it, I have noticed there's been a couple of times where I may wave my hand in front of it, the sensor doesn't go off. No big deal, just kind of wave it a couple more times and then I can hear it spritz in. Does it smell good? Sure. Does it make everything smell better? Sure. It's still Poo Pourri. It still serves its purpose. It's just a little bit more convenient to wave your hand in front of a sensor and have it spray automatically for you. I did read some reviews along the way, people talking about how after 1 week it stopped working, or when they first started setting it up, they were having some difficulty with it. I will say that you kind of have to prime the pump, so to speak. Whenever you first put in the original refill and you've got it in there and you've got your batteries and it's fully loaded, you're waving your hand, you can hear it getting the liquid through the system, right? It's retracting it or pulling it out of the bottle through the tubing and then spitting it out of the little nozzle there. So you may have to wave your hand a few times to kind of prime the pump, so to speak. But once you get that first spritz and you smell it and you know that it's right, you should be good to go after that. So far, I haven't had any issues with the machine, with the smell. I mean, not that smell, maybe that other smell. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out my videos. Feel free to give it a thumbs up and like it. Don't forget to subscribe as well so you can see all my videos. And click that little bell down there for the notification for the next time I post a video. I'll be posting unboxings, reviews, essentially day in the life videos of the stuff that I have going on that you might like too.